Giving back to the community is critical to our work at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Rhode Island. First and foremost, we're a nonprofit organization, and we were founded on a social mission 81 years ago. And so that social mission is a very real and demonstrable feeling and activity and driver of our work even today. So much of what we do is anchored on our commitment to all of Rhode Island, and we're fueled by a vision statement that allows us to passionately lead a state of health and well-being across Rhode Island. We appreciate so much the opportunity to be a partner with the learning community. We're inspired by the model that has been established there to bring innovation and best-in-class education to families who attend the learning community. We've appreciated the opportunity to be thought partners with you as we aim to increase health and well-being for our youngest residents in the state. And we've been, as I said, inspired by the flexibility and the nimble nature and approach you take with trying to bring solutions to address needs and issues for the families you've served. What excites me about working at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Rhode Island is the opportunity and the privilege we have each and every day to care for nearly half of our state's residents. Health insurance is such an important piece of our lives, one that we don't often think about, but certainly when we think about health and well-being, it is a really important element. I'm fortunate in my role at Blue Cross, leading our philanthropy and our community engagement, that I get to bring the best of the talents of my colleagues at Blue Cross to the state in different ways, in community-based partnerships, and bringing the best of what we offer to our members, bringing it to great community partners like the learning community and many, many others.